Hi guys, have you ever thought about using creative text transformation in your video creations for intros, just like you saw in the video? And today I will show you how to do that step by step. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. First, find this button, click it to change the default background color to the one you want. Apply the adjustments. Then, on the toolbar, find text icon. Click on it. Go to the inspector to add the text. Choose the desired font style. Adjust the text size and position. Click the color box to change the color to green. Scroll down to the text shadow area. Change the shadow color to black. Once finished, find the camera icon above the preview window. Click on it to capture the current screenshot. Now you have an image with the transformed text. Go back to your main interface. Click this button to change the background color to another shade. Next, select text and adjust the duration. Click the color box and change it back to white. Go to the animation area and add an appear animation. Now, use shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it and use Ctrl+V to paste it at the end. Adjust the duration. Go to the inspector to change the text color. Remove the appear animation. Click this button to change the size and position. Repeat the same steps to add 2 more texts at the back. Finally, add a disappear animation to the last text. Import all the prepared materials in the generated text image. Click this button to add several overlay tracks. Drag the text image to the topmost empty track. In the inspector, click Hide to fit it to the screen. Then, we go to the chroma key area. Click the color box. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the green color of the text. Check Enable. Adjust the parameters. Now, you can drag various patterns to different overlay tracks to correspond with the letters. For example, if I want a pattern to correspond with the letter 2, click to lock the text image track. Adjust the position of the material directly in the preview window. Then, adjust these 2 materials to fill the other 2 letters. For the last letter, I want to keep it white, so we copy the first text on the subtitle track. Remove the appear animation. Remove extra letters. Adjust the position to maintain alignment. This way, you have a transformation of the letters. And you continue using the same logic to add more painters. You can also use the crop icon in the toolbar to crop the painters, making it easier to fill the letters quickly. Now I want the painter to change in a more dynamic way, so we'll find the motion icon in the toolbar. Click on it to enter Motion Editor panel. On the first frame, click Add Keyframe. Adjust the size to fill the entire screen. Then, move the playhead to last frame and click Add Keyframe again. Add a velocity curve to this keyframe. Go back to your first keyframe. Move the box down completely out of the frame. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Use the Split tool to cut the text image into 2 parts. Then, adjust the scale of the second half to make it larger. Drag an image to fill it with a painter. This will make the text transformation more dynamic. Finally, drag your other videos and music to a timeline. Complete the basic editing and effects for them. This completes the entire production. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to support the channel if you haven't yet, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!